Good morning. Our lesson for today is under change to improper to mixed number. Okay, when we say improper, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, 5/3. So these are the example of improper. Like as I said, the numerator is greater than the denominator. 5 is the numerator and 3 is denominator. To change to improper to mixed numbers, so we're going to divide 5 divided by 3. Example, 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 1 and 2/3. So 1 and 2/3 is the example of mixed number. When we say 5/3, change to improper, so the answer is 1 and 2/3 is called the mixed number. Yun lang po at sana may naintindihan po kayo sa aking lesson sa araw na ito. Bye-bye guys. Thank you to everyone.